Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. This is a very quick video of me using the M6 toll road on the way back from our NC 500 trip. It didn't exactly go to plan, so I thought you might find it quite amusing. As you've just seen there, I've very quickly loosened the shoulder straps. My plan was to, loosen the shoulder straps. My card was already in the tunnel bag, which I'd put in there from the stop before, which you'll see me grab in a minute. And I thought probably open the door, grab the card, lean out, and should be okay. But unfortunately that didn't work. But yeah, I saw Jason do it first. As you can see, he's the car in front, and you'll see he does that, and it works perfectly well for him. But unfortunately, I couldn't reach. So yeah, I had to improvise a little bit on the spot. So as you can see, Jason's going through fine, did that same method. Here I am, card outside, thinking, yeah, got this. And then, nope, not got this. So I had to quickly undo my seatbelt. And then, I only just managed to reach it. And then I thought, better go through the barrier before it shuts. And then do the harness back up. So yeah, it's quite amusing at the time. But yeah, Caterham problems, I suppose. So yeah, did the harness back up, put the door popper back on, and then away we go. So yeah, like I said, it's a very quick video to sort of be quite amusing for you all to see me struggling. Yeah, they've got so much content coming soon. Obviously the NC 500 trip, got some track days coming up. So yeah, like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one.